Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix laptop keyboard not working in Windows 11. First method is change accessibility option. Second method is rollback keyboard driver. Third method is update keyboard driver. Fourth method is uninstall keyboard driver. Fifth method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.